this is now playing with booleans. So what I have is good old default cube, and on top of that, well, separately, I created a cylinder, and if we look at its orthographic views, I don't want that. Look at its orthographic views, then it's if I select it, if I select it there, yeah. So it's digging into the cube, but at this point it is not. At this point, nothing's been taken out of it. So the boolean, we're going to do a difference, and magically at the end of that we'll find a nice well-engineered hole inside the cube, we hope. So if I go into first of all select the thing that how to put this, that you want to take stuff away from. And again, depends exactly what you're trying to do. We're doing a difference one. So if I go into the wrench, add modifier, boolean, and is that the default? It might be, is difference is what we want. Currently we are focused on cube, that's the focus. Exact, don't care about that. And we have to pick the object that we want to be the other side of the relationship of the difference. So click on that, and it's recognized that, yeah, the object is the cylinder. And then importantly, the thing maybe I just didn't spot before, and it's not that obvious, is the apply action. Apply modifier and remove from the stack. So if I now put the focus back on the cylinder and move it away, then what do you know, we've got a tidy hole in the cube, which is what we wanted. So that's nice.